Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones SOUNDCORE Space One. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable, so just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your left ear cup. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port on the left ear cup. And we can also see LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!